Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for birth number 1. So if you're born on the 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th of any month, this is the reading for you. So the first card that I have for you is number 37, cultivation. So for the month of April, the message for you from the angels is cultivation. That means you have to grow something. There is something in your life that has to be cultivated, that has to be nourished, that has to be, given enough input from you, that has to be given enough hard work from you so it can grow. So you are at a point of life where something has the potential to grow big. It could be whether you are investing in long term, you have like long term financial plans, whether it's buying an insurance policy, it's investing in a new house, or it could also mean investing in a new course. So something related to it, something related to your future plans, that is going to bring you more benefit, more abundance. That seems to be the highlight for the month of April. Let's see from the tarot, what do we have? The first card that I have for you is number 17, the star. A dream come true, believe in yourself, the end of a difficult situation. So whatever it is that you are going through right now, very soon you are going to reach a conclusion about that situation. When the star card comes up, it also means that in a relationship, if you are in a relationship, it indicates reconciliation, it indicates healing. But if you are single, or if you are currently in a situation where you are looking for a new job, what it means, it talks about a new beginning, it talks about getting a star. And stars are metaphors for goals that you have in life. So any kind of goal that you want in life, any kind of thing that you want in life, you are going to get it. If you have been waiting for a promotion, for an offer, for a job or something, whatever you have been working on for for this long time, you're going to get it. The only thing you have to have faith in right now is you yourself. Only you can bring yourself out of whatever the situation is. The second card that I have for you is number 0, leap of faith. Leap of faith is basically the fool's card, the fool's journey card, which means that you have to take the leap of faith. If you feel you are alone, if you feel nobody is supporting you, trust me, somebody even your dog or your angels or somebody will show up in your path to help you move on to this particular stage, so you can cultivate something for the future, for the benefit of yourself, for the future. So do whatever gives you joy. So if you are scared, your self confidence is low, you're not feeling at the top of the world, that is something that you have to focus on. Just take that leap of faith, everything else will work out along the way. Your angels, your guides, somebody will give you support. Your friend will show up. Maybe you start a new company, you've been offered a new role, you start a new company and you don't know, and suddenly you'll realize you actually have a friend working in this company like from long time back. So all those things are possible for you guys. The next card I have for you is the 6 of Gabriel. Congratulations, you have done a wonderful job. Time to move on to the next project. See, awards, scholarships, and promotions. So, number one, people, I do see, you are going to get some kind of scholarships if you are planning to study or start a new course, because I see star, I see number 0 here. So something new is bound to start for you in the month of April. If it doesn't start now, probably in a couple of months or in the next 6 months, you are going to be starting something new. And the 6 of Gabriel is usually the 6 of wands card, which is about recognition, which is about, it's a card of success, it's a card of reaching a position. This is a very clear indication for people that you are going to get a promotion. So I see promotion very significantly. I see some kind of diploma, some kind of recognition because of your hard work is also very possible. The next card I have for you is number 19, the sun. See, sun card again very positive. So you can expect travel for all the singles who are waiting for somebody in their life to show up. I see by August, by the sun season, there should be somebody in your life walking into your life. You will have the power to thrive, you are charismatic, you have everything. You are basically attracting the world right now. So if you guys are manifesting, a lot of your manifestations are going to come true very, very soon because of all the power that you have. All these cards that I'm drawing for you are indicating success, are indicating, a lot of amazing things coming your way. So make sure, you pay attention to that before you move forward. Don't get little bumps in the road, pull you down, because you have amazing things coming for you. See, oh my god, even the next card is the Knight of Raphael. So committed romantic relationships, very positive news from all fronts. Your career is doing great, your personal relationships are doing great, especially for people who are, in a separation or no communication zone. You are going to be talking, you are going to be communicating, somebody is coming towards you, somebody is going to offer you, especially if you are traveling. The chances of you bumping into somebody who could be a potential are very high when you are traveling. Or things, or topics that are going to happen around you, the things people are going to discuss around you would be all those things that are going to fill your joy, fill your heart with a lot of joy. Number 16, change your life. That is number 7, a sudden revelation that offers freedom. Break free of procrastination, embrace the opportunities that bring change. So what this card is trying to tell you is that be ready for the change that universe is bringing you. Your life is going to take a 180-degree turn, and the universe is trying to tell you that you have to be ready for it. You have to be ready for the change that is coming towards you. You are going to get to know something that is going to offer you this window of opportunity. Especially here you have a window of opportunity, here you have a window of opportunity. The only thing the cards are trying to tell you is don't be lazy. If you want to do something, take the initiative and do it. If it's out of your comfort zone, ask for help, but you have the capacity to change your life. If things have been very stagnant, and if you want things to your life to move in a different direction, remember when I said about manifesting? Well, there is your card of manifestation. It is going on, it is happening. Even the universe is trying to tell you that it is on your side. So give it a go, give it a try. Let me pull a couple of more cards. This reading is getting interesting. Number 8, justice. So if you have, for some of you, what this situation is going to bring is it's going to bring a balance. And even if you look at this card, look at the advice on this card. It says don't give up, and that is exactly what I have been trying to tell you. Like, don't give up, keep going, because whatever you are doing is going to bring you the benefits in the future. Everything, if you feel like things have not been equal or things have not been in your favor, don't worry, because very soon all the things will be in your favor, and you will be like, oh my god, I was worried for no reason. The next card I have for you is the 8 of Gabriel. A great deal of activity, sudden and immediate results. See, everything is going to happen, is in your favor. Everything is happening in your favor. You don't have to be worried about everything. Oh my god, this is such a positive reading. I think I'm going to enjoy reading so much. See, 5 of Michael. The situation doesn't serve you. Release your attachment to the outcome. Consider taking a more uplifting approach. So especially because a transformation is coming into your life, something is going to change in your life. And for some of you, because we don't like change, we as humans don't like change, we don't like moving forward towards new things, toward things that are out of our comfort zone. With the 5 of Michael showing up, it's telling you that don't be attached to the outcome. So if you have set your mind on to this is what I want for myself in the future, just get out of that energy, because you have a lot of amazing things coming your way. This is such a positive reading. I can't contain my excitement for this reading. I'm so excited for both number 1 people. Guys, this is all for now. Let me know if this reading resonates, and I'll see you guys next time.